Okay, good afternoon. So at this time, we will have to tackle about the cosine half angle formula. So at this time, we will have to derive the formula for the cosine half angle, and at the same time, I will also give you one example of how to apply this half angle formula pertaining for cosine function. Okay, so we will start. So actually, the cosine function for the half angle can be derived using the double angle formulas. So let me say we have here cos of 2 theta is actually equivalent to cos of theta plus theta. Then to simplify, that is actually equal to cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. Okay? Therefore, that is actually then equivalent to cos squared theta minus the quantity of 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay? Because we apply the identity for the Pythagorean theorem for sin squared plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So we don't like this one when we simplify in terms for sin squared theta. Okay? So therefore, we have here cos squared theta minus 1 plus cos squared theta. Therefore, cos of 2 theta is actually equivalent to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. At this time, we can now let theta be equal to a over 2. So then therefore, we can have cos of 2 times a over 2 is then equivalent to 2 cos of 2 cos squared of a over 2 minus 1. Okay? Then simplifying, we can now have cos of a, cancel it out, so we have here equivalent to 2 cos squared a over 2 minus 1. Or we can write that one as 2 cos squared a over 2 is equal to cos of a plus 1. From negative, that will become positive. We still have 2 from the left hand side, so we can divide both sides by 2. So we can obtain cos squared of a over 2 is actually equivalent to cos of a plus 1 over 2. Then take the square root both sides, so we can have cos theta or cos of a over 2 is then equivalent to plus minus. As we get the square root of the number, the result would be it can be positive and negative. So we have here cos of a plus 1 over 2. So this one is the formula pertaining for the cosine function for the half angle. So now let us have one example. Okay. Find the exact value of cos of pi over 8. Okay? So how do we now use the half angle formula for cosine to identify the exact value of cosine of pi over 8? Of course, we will have to express this one into using the half angle. Okay? So cos of pi over 8 is then actually equivalent to cos of pi over 4 over 2. Okay? Thus, we have here pi over 8 is then actually equivalent to theta is equal to pi over 4. Because pi over 8 or pi over 4 is actually equivalent or that we are in quadrant 1, so therefore we will have to take the sign for the answer as positive. So we have here cos of pi over 8 is equal to positive square root of, we have cos of pi over 4 plus 1. Okay? Or we can have square root of 1 plus cos of pi over 4 is actually, okay, there is a over 2 in here. Okay? 1 plus cos of pi over 4 is actually then what? 45 degrees as equivalent degrees over 2. So when we have to simplify, we can get the square root of 1 plus cos of 45, 0, 30, 45, so we have square root of 2 over 2. Okay? 1 plus square root of 2 over 2 just actually equivalent to square root of 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 2 plus square root of 2 over 2, then over 2. Or, that is actually equivalent to what? Okay? Just multiply this 1, 2 times 2. So 4. So we have here square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 4. Or our final answer, we have here cos of pi over 8. Okay, cos of pi over 8 is then actually equivalent to the square root of, okay, 2. We have here 2 plus square root of 2 k over 2. Because 4 is a perfect square number. This one is our final answer. Okay, so I hope that this one will help you. So one way to solve for the exact value for cosine, express first the given angle into half angle formula.